we're excited to share with you our LDS135. It's a 1080, 135-inch large screen display. It is mobile and has the ability for you to protect the screen by opening and closing the panels when you need to move it. As you can see, the screen has a built-in operating system that has apps that allow you to present your content or the ability to manage it from a remote location. If you're using some of our other ViewSonic management products, this works really nicely in the same ecosystem. Some of the apps that are displayed and will be used within the ecosystem or on the panel itself will be demonstrated through Dan.
So one of the things we obviously want to use such a large format display for is to show presentations. Now I can hardwire it using HDMI or USB-C, but let's do it wirelessly. So I'm going to use the VCast receiver tool to hit cast, and then it's going to start mirroring my screen up to the direct view. So obviously you can see it's pretty fast, and I can click through my slides just like this. But also Blake mentioned it's really good for digital signage, and with the My Viewboard Manager app, it's really great. You can create jobs, playlists, basically pre-built things that just run on a certain timer. So when you're not using it for presentations, it's still getting its value add. We could fold it up, roll it into the hallway, or we could put it in another room and then have videos or things play, and you can see it's just a beautiful display even when streaming and playing video.
As you become more mobile, the remote allows you to raise or lower the panel to move it through the doorways. As you can see, this would be a great fit for larger rooms, or if you're having meetings with more people in attendance that you need a larger display that is high quality. Reach out to your local ViewSonic rep and ask about the LDS135.